welcome back to the breakdown. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be installing this GTX 760 for the Win edition. It's a pretty old graphics card, I know, but it's going to be the exact same procedure as installing a brand new 1080 Ti or the 1100 series when it comes out. So this is exactly how to install an Nvidia graphics card. Before we get on into this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content exactly like this every single day of the week. Also want to remind you, this video is brought to you by Amazon. You can check out the breakdown.xyz/Nvidia graphics down below. First link to get Nvidia graphics cards on Amazon for a pretty good price. I've been looking and watching graphics card prices, and as far as brand new graphics cards go, Amazon seems to have pretty good prices most of the time. But nevertheless, let's get on into the video. So we've got the card here, but we're going to set this to the side, and I'm going to show you what you need to do to kind of prepare your motherboard for installing the graphics card. So here we are in the motherboard. It's a very dirty PC. This has been used. We're going to do a video on cleaning it another time, but today we're installing a graphics card into it. So back here, you see this open empty slot? You'll have one of these vents right here. All you want to do is open these up. Most graphics cards take two, and what you can actually do is do a test fit to see which one that usually it takes. Typically, it's the one kind of aligned with this PCIe Express slot right here, and it's the one under it. And so that's what we've taken out. You got the two thumb screws there, and yeah, take those out, remove these shields, leave the rest of them because that's just open into your PC otherwise, and then you can set these to a side. We will need them later. Now, what we want to do is take and flip this little switch right here back, right? So typically it's going to be up whenever you first get your graphics card. Flip it down, and then we're ready to install the graphics card. It really is that easy. So get your card back, and you want to take it, and as you can see here, it lines up with this PCIe Express slot. So it's got a little notch and then a big notch, and this has a little plug and then a big plug right there. See that? So it's just going to line up. Take it, drop it right down here. You're going to have to kind of push the display ports out of these back ports that we just opened up. Line it up. It just fits right down in there, and then push down until you hear a click, right like that. And it's installed. It really is that easy. But as you can see, it's still able to move back and forth. Why is that? Well, we've got to come back to our thumb screws. Our thumb screws here are what we need in order to do that. So just put them back in place over here. Put the other one back in place, right like that. And you don't need to tighten these down. Just put them in with your thumb. There's no reason to really go above and beyond and like over tweaking them. That's not a good thing. Just tighten them down until they're snug, and then you're good right there. Okay, now we're not done yet. We need to power this thing. Otherwise, it's not going to work. I mean, your PC would work off of your processor's graphics, but your graphics card wouldn't work without any power. So here are the power cords that need to go into these slots. We've got the PCIe, and then we've got the 6-pin adapter or connector right there. The 6-pin is going to go into the 6-pin connector right here. You're going to push down, and you're going to hear a click. Push that down. There's the click. Then we have this one, which is actually another 6-pin plus 2. Some of these come together, so it might actually be 8 pins, but in this case, it's a 6-pin plus 2 connector. You're going to want to take that and put it right next to it, right? So it slides in right here, right like that. That one's going to click as well. This one, this little bitty extender, will not click, okay? But you're just going to slide it right down in next to that 6-pin connector. And bada bing bada boom, just like that, your graphics card is installed. So what we're looking at here, I wanted to show you guys, these fans need to be clear of cables. For example, we don't want these cables like right up on these fans like this, right? That's not a good thing because it could end up hitting one of these. So you want to make sure you zip tie those back away from the fan and keep these clear. Congratulations, your Nvidia graphics card is now installed. Again, whether it's a 760 like this or something brand new like a 1080 Ti. The process hasn't changed over the years. One thing I do want to note, this power supply that I have in this machine is not modular, meaning it has all of the cables you'll need coming out of it, and it makes it horrible to cable manage, but that's where it's at. If you have a modular power supply, you'll have to plug in those PCIe Express connectors that we plugged into the graphics card into your power supply. You'll basically find those cables that look exactly like what we have, follow them to the end, plug the other end into your power supply. It's that simple, but I can't show you that because I do not have a modular power supply in this system. But nevertheless, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content exactly like this. Check out the link down below to buy Nvidia GPUs on Amazon. That link also helps support this channel, so it really does mean the world to us. Again, I'm Nick. This has been The Breakdown, and I am out, guys. Peace.